Hey, welcome to my 7-figure sales machine review. And yes, there's a powerful bonus when you grab this through the link below. Let me start with something real. If you've tried Facebook ads or Instagram funnels or even Google ads, you already know it's expensive, it's frustrating, and most of the time it just doesn't work the way the gurus promise. I've been there. You pour money in, you get a few clicks, maybe even a few leads, but it's nothing you can scale or count on. But what if there was a system that actually paid you to generate traffic? That's what makes the 7-figure sales machine so different, and honestly so exciting. Because we're talking about free traffic from the second largest search engine in the world, YouTube. But not just traffic. This system is engineered to turn cold strangers into warmed-up leads, and those leads into recurring income. Most people try to sell too soon. They post a video, drop a link, and hope for the best. That doesn't work. You need what this course teaches. A system that warms people up automatically. That builds trust. That makes them want to buy from you, without pressure. The wildest part? The creators of this course used this exact strategy to go from zero to over $10,000 per month in recurring income, in just a few months, while only working 2 hours a week. They built a full AI-powered YouTube channel, sold courses, gained newsletter subscribers, generated affiliate sales, earned YouTube ad revenue, and even got sponsorships. And the best part? It's faceless YouTube. You never have to be on camera. You use AI to generate the content. You follow a proven structure. The warm-up process happens like magic. You keep building your list, and your list keeps buying. This isn't just another traffic trick, it's an entire business system that anyone can run from anywhere in the world. And when you buy the 7-figure sales machine through the link below, you'll also get a special bonus course from me that shows you how to 10 times your results with this method, especially if you're brand new to YouTube. So go ahead and check the description for your bonus and grab your copy today. This thing is the real deal.